How to make money with social media marketing skills. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make money using your social media marketing skills, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful ways you can start monetizing your expertise, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus tip that could take your earnings to the next level. Let's dive in. 1. Offer social media management services. One of the easiest ways to make money with social media marketing is by managing accounts for businesses. Many small businesses don't have time to post consistently, engage with their audience, or run ads effectively. That's where you come in. How to get started: create a portfolio showcasing past work, or offer free services to a few clients to build experience. Reach out to local businesses or use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find clients. Offer packages that include content creation, scheduling, and engagement. 2. Become a social media consultant. If you're great at strategy but don't want to manage accounts full-time, consulting might be the way to go. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need guidance on their social media strategy but prefer to do the work themselves. How to get started: identify your niche, e.g., fitness, e-commerce, personal brands. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions or group workshops. Promote your services on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook groups. 3. Monetize your own social media platforms. If you have a solid following, you can turn your social media into a money-making machine through brand partnerships. Companies pay you to promote their products. Affiliate marketing: you earn commissions by recommending products using special links. YouTube ad revenue: if you create YouTube content, you can make money from ads once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Pro tip: even if you have a small audience, focus on engagement. A loyal community is more valuable than a large but inactive one. 4. Sell digital products or courses. Do you have social media expertise that others would pay to learn? Turn your knowledge into digital products like ebooks on Instagram growth strategies, online courses teaching Facebook ad management, Canva templates for businesses needing quick social media designs. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Kajabi make selling digital products easy. 5. Run paid ads for businesses. If you understand Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or Google ads, you can charge businesses for ad management. Companies want profitable ad campaigns, and if you can deliver, you'll always have clients. How to get started: take a few online courses. Meta and Google offer free training. Start with small businesses to gain experience. Show results and testimonials to attract higher-paying clients. Bonus: start an agency. Once you have experience and a few clients, you can scale by building an agency. Hire freelancers to help with content creation, ads, and engagement so you can focus on client acquisition and strategy. Key tips: automate your workflow with tools like Trello, Slack, and Later. Focus on client results. Happy clients bring referrals. Price your services well. Don't undersell yourself. Oyutiro. Call to action. Alright, that's it for today. These are some of the best ways to make money with social media marketing skills. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.